Hello guys, Best Review for You team is back again with another review on CoinSmash. Firstly we will look at the introduction, then a note from CoinSmash team. Welcome note. CoinSmash features bonus that comes with this package. Also, 30-day money-back guarantee program. And the exclusive bonuses that I am going to offer you. Want to make crypto commissions fast? That drives crypto to your wallet daily. No hassles, pure results. Lightning fast and passive, rank and profit, secret strategy. Are you ready to finally get fast results? Complete newbie friendly. No experience needed. Step-by-step training videos. No techie skills required. Never revealed before. Simple set and forget hack. Just require computer or phone. Grab CoinSmash now and save over 90%. Click here to get started now. One-time secure payment, 30 days money-back guarantee. CoinSmash is brought to you by Deepa, Nancy and Team Alpha. Deepa. Nancy. CoinSmash, a new era dawn is a cryptocurrency course by Nancy and Deepa, who have mastered the art of earning passive affiliate commission from cryptocurrencies. We will show you how to make a passive income from cryptocurrency without looking at charts or trading manually. In this course, we will share their most closely held secrets to help you maximize your affiliate commissions in cryptocurrencies. The course is structured with a thorough understanding of cryptocurrencies and how they work, backed by real case studies and proof that will show the power of these strategies. This course will provide you with all the tools required to start earning passive income today. You will come to know what kind of cryptocurrencies are available, their network structure, and value dynamics. Covers some simple terminologies used for cryptocurrencies. It will also teach you various strategies that can be used to earn passive income by taking advantage of the volatility in the cryptocurrency market. You will learn how to take up trading positions during drastic price fluctuations and where to place your stop loss. The module also throws light on some simple trading strategies that can be used to earn passive income. You will get a comprehensive introduction to the various cryptocurrency exchanges and their basic functionalities. You will learn how to open an exchange account, what kind of equipment you need, how accounts are protected by 2FA, etc. Also covers some advanced strategies to reduce the transaction fees and other limitations that an exchange might have. You will understand how a cryptocurrency wallet works, what kind of wallets exist, and which ones you should choose. The course is backed by real case studies and proof to show how powerful this strategy is and how anyone can replicate it with little to zero effort. CoinSmash will show all the strategies that Nancy and Deepa use to earn a passive crypto commission of up to $4,000 in just a 3-month period. The best part of this course is, it teaches you to earn that commission not only in your local currencies but also in cryptocurrency. Take a look inside. CoinSmash. How many times per day do you dream about money? Getting paid while you're asleep or on holiday? Grab CoinSmash now and save over 90%. Click here to get started now. One-time secure payment, 30 days money-back guarantee. 04 days, 15 hours, beta testers of all levels. Love their CoinSmash results? You will too. Shihu. Kaleem 8. Key Iron. It was only a few short years ago that I, too, had the dream of making it online. A lot has changed since then, especially me and my life. Trying everything to make some kind of money but with nothing in return. It seemed like everyone wanted an easy way out without putting in any work. They laughed at me for trying new things, because all their efforts led them nowhere. But when you find one thing that works, you'll never want to do anything else ever again. After years of trial and error, I finally found a legitimate system that has allowed me to earn more than what I earn working full-time. It's your turn now to become digital nomad. Introducing CoinSmash, your unlimited free crypto commissions. Make unlimited free crypto commissions. Simple set and forget hack. No boundaries to mint more crypto. Totally newbie friendly. Step-by-step training and VIP support to ensure your success. Wait, when you grab CoinSmash now, you'll also be able to get these royalty bonuses if you buy today. Royalty bonus number 1. Blockchain Secrets Video Upgrade. The key to fully understanding blockchain technology and deciding if it is something that you should invest in is diving in and doing the research. Royalty bonus number 2. Blockchain Secret. Learn the blockchain basics and how the technology works. Discover the business of blockchain and what industries will benefit from using the technology. Royalty bonus number 3. Bitcoin Breakthrough. With this step-by-step guide, you will learn how to avoid scams in cryptocurrency, you will learn how to work the blockchain technology, you will be able to keep your bitcoins safe in the best wallets. Royalty bonus number 4. El Danino. This method allows you to make money and don't need your own product or any prior experience. Royalty bonus number 5. The Clones. A DFY system that teaches you everything you need to know to make money online. This method is completely brand new and suitable for all levels. Grab CoinSmash now and save over 90%. One-time price, 0 monthly fees. Click here to get started now. One-time secure payment, 30 days money-back guarantee. Get results with CoinSmash, or get a refund. CoinSmash comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. I don't want anything to stop you from getting CoinSmash right now. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to make sure this is for you. If you take action and don't get results, all you have to do is let me know, and I'll get you a refund. I'm only happy if you are happy. And the only way you can lose is by closing this page without getting CoinSmash right now at a big discount. It doesn't get more fair than that. Lastly, these are the bonuses that I have to offer you. These are worth more than $4,000 that I am giving you for free. The only condition is that you have to purchase the product through the link given below in the description, and after the purchase send an email with a screenshot of your purchase on our email, which you will find in description below. Have a look at the bonuses. These are not the 1 or 2 bonuses or 3 simple bonus, but in total I am offering you 21 bonuses. This definitely will help you if you are a content creator or an affiliate marketer, or even if you run a digital marketing agency. So here is the review from the Best Review for You team. If you liked the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check the description below.